Hi guys, Roo here from Prepared Camping. The other day when I was on the internet, I was reading up about the founder of the Scout movement, Lord Baden-Powell. And I found some rather interesting old scouting manuals, one of which was depicting a piece of equipment that not many scouts, or at least not many scouts here in the UK, have today. And that was a hiking staff, or stave. So yeah, I thought I'd do like a little prototype for my son, Finn, and see what he thinks of it. So here it is. I get my replacement broom handle. And this particular one comes with a flat end at one end, and the other end, as you can see there, is all rounded off. So I'm going to keep that nice rounded off end for the top, and I'll keep this flat end for the bottom. This will be handy for obviously for measuring things out when you're in camp. But it's also quite good, say if you're crossing small streams or something like that, you could use this to gauge the depth before you potentially have to stand into it and maybe get very, very wet legs. So, there we have our stick, with the little notches marked on it every inch. I've done up to 3 foot in the end, and the little festule at the bottom. You can see here, if you put the tape measure here on here, the bottom of the stick, the first mark is at 2 inches, and then it's every inch after that. Well, here I've got 9 feet of jute twine that I've braided together to make a bit of a thicker cord. I'm going to wrap around this section here to make a bit of a comfier grip handle at the top. So now you've got 9-10 feet so of natural cordage, 3 foot marked incrementally every inch. I think what else I'm going to do is I'll probably drill a hole through the top here to fit a lanyard. Maybe wrap a bit of duct tape around this top section here. Could have a fishing kit underneath it, a couple of hooks, maybe a little bit of line in this section, duct tape it up, and that'll stop that from sliding up or down then as well. And there you go. Little walking pole for my son, and a bit of a prototype for a larger one I'll do for myself.
Good.
Do you like your stick?
Yes, it's 10 miles.
You're going to walk 10 miles with that?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Can I get a high five for that? Ah, oh, awesome!
It's shut.
Yeah.
It's like this a very big one.
I got it. Oh wow! Cheers!
Cheers.
Bye bye.